everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for 23 in 2023. I love this project. It is like so simple. You just pick whatever your year is, you pick that number of products and you pan them. Set your goal, whatever. I love it. I've been doing this for so long. So long, and I love it. I'm doing it again next year. I will continue to do it. It is just one that I absolutely love. No pressure. I can pick whatever I want. It's nice. It's nice. I did mine a lot of things to hit pan because that is my goal for this year, and I do have some things to finish. The stuff that I want to hit pan on, I am doing amazingly well because it's less of a goal to hit pan on something as opposed to finishing something. But that's okay. I wanted to play this year, and it is working for me. So, as of last update, I had 5 more things in this project. My nose is itching. I don't know what is going on. Maybe allergies or something. I had 5 more things that I needed to hit goal or finish, and I am happy to say that I have reached goal on one of those items. And no surprise, it is in the Revolution Reloaded Provocative palette. There is 15 shades in here that I wanted to hit pan on. It was barely touched when I first brought it in, and I am down to the one shadow here in the corner, number 15. I feel like I'm doing great. 7 at the last update right here did not have pan yet. I have pan on that now. I will have an overlay if you want to take a close-up look at that one. But then the only one left, like I said, is number 15. I do have a nice dip on that one. I'm making good progress on it. I do have it in the center of my lids today, but not all over. I enjoy it. I really enjoy this palette, and I don't know if I'm going to pan it to completion next year or not. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I've enjoyed it thoroughly this year. I suspect I will have pan in this shade by the next update because I do have a very nice dip going in there already. I know how deep these shadows are, and it's berries to me. It sounds kind of crazy, but berries to me fall under a neutral. I know that's not the case for a lot of people, but for me, I wear them like they're a neutral, and I'm sure that I will hit pan on that one by the next update. All right. The other 3 items that I have in here, since this is one of 4, I have 3 things in here that I am attempting to finish. And the one I know is going to be finished, and that is this Essence lip gloss. I just put it down as a nude. It's kind of like a pinky nude, if you will. The tag or the sticker came off of it. I don't even remember what it was called. The stopper is out on this, and you guys probably won't be able to see down in there, but like there's tons of windowing in here. Let me put the thing down, and it's all the way windowed to like this tip, which the wand does not reach down there, but I do have a lip brush that I can use to get down to the bottom of that. I am certain this is going to be done by the next update. It's probably going to be done before the end of this month, and I will be happy to have one more lip gloss out of my collection. I love lip gloss, but I have a lot. I think last time I was talking to either Misty or Dana, because I talk to those ladies every day, I think I had like 91 lip glosses still, which is insane. So I need to get some used up. So I will be happy to have that one done. The next thing that I have is, the lid is always on upside down. It's the Catrice Baking and Setting Loose Powder, the HD version of that. Mine is in, what is the shade? Cool Beige. And you can see I was here, now I'm down to here. So it went from purple to purple. I'm making good progress, and there's not a ton left. So I do feel like I can have this done by the finale at the end of the year. If I finish everything early, I'm just going to end this project early. I'm not going to roll anything in because I have so many projects that I'm working on, and some that I would actually like to join in the next month or so. So if I end up finishing this early, I'm going to be okay with that. All right, and then the very last one is the LA Colors lip pencil in the shade Sienna, because it's already worn off. I had to look on my spreadsheet. It looks a little funky because I had some blue and then this to create like my own fun color. So it looks a little funky, but it still works. This thing was massive when I brought it in, brand new. You can see I started way up here and I am down to here now. I'm making very, very good progress on this. I am splitting time with some lip liners right now, but I really need to focus on this one because I want this one done before the end of the year. That is my goal. These two are going to be the last ones standing, and I think I can get them both done this year. If I am down to just these last two products, unless I have some massive, massive progress, I might just update every other month. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out, but I don't want to do an update and be like, okay, this pencil moved this much and the powder moved this much. That's not exciting to me, and I'm sure it's not exciting to you, even though they would be some super quick updates. I don't know. I'll just have to play it by ear. Let me know what you think. If I get down to the last two products, would you prefer that I update every other month, or do you want to see that little bit of progress that I make every month? I could do it, like I said, super quick, knock it out, and then be done. All right, that is my update for this month. Definitely think I'm going to have the lip gloss done before the next update, and potentially this shade, oh, over here, number 15 to hit PM. So I could very well have just two products left at the next update. We'll have to wait and see. Again, let me know what you want to see. If you want me to update it every month, or if you just want me to update it every other month or every third month, or just do it in the finale when it's all done. You know, just whatever you guys think, that's probably what I will do. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful